Meaning of hemorrhagic.
Haemorrhagic.
Hemorrhagic.
Hemorrhagic.
Haemorrhagic. The term hemorrhagic refers to anything that involves or results in bleeding. This can include a wide range of medical conditions, such as hemorrhagic fever, hemorrhagic stroke, and hemorrhagic shock. When bleeding occurs in the body, it can lead to a variety of symptoms depending on the location and severity of the bleeding. These may include weakness, nausea, vomiting, confusion, seizures, and even death in severe cases. Treatment for hemorrhagic conditions may involve medications to control bleeding, surgery to repair damaged blood vessels, or blood transfusions to replace lost blood volume.